Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name's Tommy, and tonight we are checking out a new band for the channel called Withered Land. And the song is called Through the Winterhold's Blizzard. Dude, first of all, the band name gets me. The title of the song gets me. I am so ready to see what this is all about and dive in. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me and just listen to music together. It's been hot as hell outside. I definitely got some sun over the weekend, and I feel like my skin is being burned off. But that's not going to stop us from checking out this new song. Let's go. Damn. Cool video. Dude. That is a cool logo, dude. Dude, this was awesome. Loved the vocals, her tone, and just how ferocious it was just so fitting. Oh, it was awesome. The video was really cool. They were really smart with the different angles and just the shots. I loved how the way she was like behind the trees and the branches, which really gave these really cool silhouettes. The video was effective, man. Like it was simple, but yet it was really well done. It looked really great. The music, dude, the layers that they were applying throughout the song and the transitions and all the little like melodies I could hear, it was like just a full rounded song. It wasn't so it just had a lot of depth to it, the way it was built, the way it flowed. I love the transitions. You didn't know what was going to happen next, and it just sounded solid. Really, just really cool. Damn. There you have it, y'all. Withered Land. If you like what you heard, go show them some love. Check them out. And yeah, we got to hear more from them. As always, you know where to find me. Instagram, Discord. Reach out if you'd like to connect, talk life, whatever you want. All right, just don't be weird and send me bad stuff. Listen, keep your head up. I know life can be crazy. Know that, you know, we can be overwhelmed and going through things. That's why I love music so much, because music can be a bridge to helping us connect. That's what this channel's about, is coming here, we're listening to music together, but I hope that somehow it encourages you. I hope you know that you're safe here and that we're trying to build something deeper. You know, I walk to the beat of my own drum. I'm not trying to be like every other reactor. I don't care about subscriber count. I don't care about how many views a video gets. I care about the people watching, and I love showing support to the artists and helping them, you know, get seen more if we can do that. I just want you to know that you matter. All right, and you're not a number. So, all right, I love your face. Stay lovely, stay metal, and until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.